Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn some cool new features in Python 3.9, that is the dict merge operator and the dict update operator. I am Himanshu Pan and you are watching Pycyber Academy. If you are new to this video, please subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, please share this with your friends. Let's move on to my laptop and start today's tutorial. Hello everybody. Today we will going to see some new feature in Python 3 versions, especially the dictionary merge and update operator. There are two new operators we will going to see onto this. So this is my blog that is posted on my website. I am going through this onto this video. So first let's see what are the things we are going to learn into this tutorial video. We will explore two new operators introduced in Python 3.9, that is dictionary merge operator and dictionary update operator. So let's going on to this new operator. Let's quickly recap what is dict in Python. So dictionaries are Python's implementation of a data structure that is more generally known as an associative array. A dictionary consists of a collection of key value pairs. Each key value couple maps the key to its associated value. Inbuilt dict class used to represent the dictionary data type in Python. For example, we can see here that key 1 and value 1, these two are, this is one key value pair and another key value pair is this one, and this totally enclosed by curly braces. So key and values are separated by colon and the pair of key values are separated by comma, and total data is enclosed by curly braces. We write into this way the dictionary one. So let's go through the first one, the dictionary merge operator. This is a new operator that is available from 3.9, and this is a new feature that is added onto the 3.9. It's not available up to 3.8. Okay, this operator can merge two or more than two dict object and provide a new dict object with all the key and value pairs present in the provided dictionaries. That means if we have two or three dictionaries and dictionaries have different key value pairs and we want to collapse all those key value pairs and create a new dict, then this new dictionary merge operator will help to gain that. So the symbol of the dictionary merge operator is a pipe. This pipe symbol is used as a operator. Let's understand the operation of this operator with a suitable example. Suppose we have two different dictionaries named D1 and D2 which are assigned below. For example, here D1 I have taken a dictionary that is name Himanshu Pan and location Kolkata. Name is a key and location is another key with some values, and I am printing this dictionary, and this is we see that here name is Himanshu Pan and location is Kolkata. Another dictionary that is D2, that's only one thing, that is contact, and this is my contact number. So if I print this, there is only key, that is contact, and with the value of this contact string. This operator is new to us, but previously, like before introducing with this operator, I used a method to do the same thing, and that method is like using kw args. So I used the star onto this dictionary and merged into one. So that's why I wrote here, previously we used the star kw args method to generate a new dict object by merging two dict objects. The example code is written below in the code section. So star d1 and comma star d2, this enclosed by curly braces, it's also do the same thing, that it's merging D1 and D2, and it's provide a new dictionary with all those key value pairs like name, location and contact. I am getting into this dictionary, the new generated dictionary. This method is quite fixation, or you can say quite difficult to understand, but we will get the same result by using the newly introduced operator by Python 3.9, that is the dict merge, and Python uses the pipe symbol as an operator for dict merge. So here we can see that is very simple, D1 pipe D2, it's also doing the same thing, but remember this is available from Python 3.9 onwards. Here, the new operator pipeline is handy to use and easy to understand, right? So also please comment in the comment section if you think that this operator is really helpful for you for the operations, especially for when you use this for the merge, or which one you would like to use, the old one or the new one. Please let me know in the comment section. What will be the output if D1 and D2 having the same key with a different value? Let's see. So before answering this question, let's understand the operator and operand in the below statement. Here D1 pipe D2. We can see here three things is here D1 pipe and D2. So here this pipe, this is the operator, and D1 here it's a operand. D2 is as well as D2 is also an operand, but D1 is the left operand and D2 is the right operand. If D1 and D2 have the same key, for example key 1, and we applied the Dict Merge operator on D1 and D2 like below. So we merged D1 and D2 like using this pipe, then what will be the resultant of this dict, where D1 having name where D1 having key 1, key 2, and D2 also having key 1 and key 3. So key 1 is the common factor on D1 dict as well as D2 dict also. So when we applied this D1 pipe D2, that is D1 Dict Merge D2, we are getting that key 1's value is from D2. That's because it's on the right side. That means right operand. When we applied D2 pipe D1, at that time we are getting key 1's value as which has the on D1. That's because it's on the right. Why it's happening? Because the rightmost one is updating the values of existing key present on the onto that dict which is generating. We also can use multiple uses of the dict operator on a single Python statement. That means in a single line it's possible to merge more than two dictionary objects like this one D1 D2 not D3. It's a dictionary object over here, written over here. So we can also do this by using pipe. So we can merge more than two dictionary in a single statement. Next, another new operator that is on Python 3.9, that is dictionary update operator, and this is pipe equals to. As we use the plus operator with plus equals to, similarly we are using pipe equals to. So if we already have a dictionary and we are using, in this example, D1 is a dictionary with key value pairs with key 1 value 1 from D1 and key 2 value 2 from D1, and D2 also have key 1 value 1 from D2 and key 3 that is value 3 from D2, and we are doing a D1 pipe equals to D2. At that time we are getting the result key 1 equals to value 1 from D2, key 2 value 2 from D1, and key 3 is value 3 from D2. That means the output of D1 pipe D2 is stored on D1. So that's why it's called dictionary update operator. The above statement will update the left operand dict D1 with the key values of the right operand D2. Python dict class also have a method called update, and that's act the same as this dict update operator in Python 3.9. But dict update operator, that is pipe equals to, is faster than the update method that is present onto the dict class. Hopefully this tutorial help you to understand the new operator in Python 3.9. Question for you is that which one you would like to use or do the same thing for merging two dict objects, the old one or the new one? Hey, thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you really like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also, share this video with your friends and colleagues and all those who are trying to learn Python. Thank you. Have a good day.